Hello everyone, welcome back or welcome to Archie's Corner if you're new here. Kitchen is the most important and well-used space in any home, and having a clean and organized kitchen brings us so much joy, right? I love to walk into my kitchen when it is all clean and everything is where it should be. Healthy lifestyle starts with healthy kitchen, and to maintain a healthy kitchen, maintaining hygiene inside kitchen is really important. I cook 3 meals a day, have a 9 to 5 job and take care of my 2 kids simultaneously. So I'm not an expert at kitchen cleaning, nor is my kitchen perfectly sparkling clean at every moment. And I admit keeping the kitchen clean can be a struggle, but the place where we prep out food needs to be hygienic. So in today's video, we will see how we can maintain a clean and organized kitchen by following some simple tips. Some of you must be already knowing and following these tips. Before starting the video, if you're new to my channel, a warm welcome to you, and if you're interested in organization, DIY, makeover and cleaning videos, basically everything related to home, then please subscribe Archie's Corner. If you have already subscribed, please click the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. Now, let's begin. The first thing I do entering the kitchen is to wear an apron so that it can protect my clothes from spills and stains, and I won't get dirty or messy while cooking. I also keep a jug of RO water for easy access while cooking. We have discarded most of the non-stick utensils and use either stainless steel or cast iron cookware. The stainless steel pan which I am using currently is a tri-ply one from a brand named Vinod, and we have been using it from past couple of years and is really durable. We have another deep kadai from the same brand, and we use it mainly while preparing gravies or fried rice. I try to keep countertops always clear and keep the masala containers at the right place after cooking. While cooking, I try to use a silicone spoon rest to keep the spoons. Alternatively, you may use any plate for the same purpose, and this ensures we are not keeping it on the countertop. I have started using ceramic knives recently, and I can't tell you how smooth it is, and nowadays I don't even touch my steel knives. I collect all the vegetables and fruits peel in container and use it to make compost. That way I am able to produce good fertilizer for my plants, and this in turn is helping us to reduce wastage. I wash chopping boards after every use with plain water and make sure to dry completely. Weekly once I do a deep cleaning and apply chopping board oil. Keeping a hand towel near sink area is very useful indeed. Using this stainless steel sink strainer is really helpful in collecting the waste and reduces the chance of any blockage in the sink. I have kept the hand wash and dishwashing liquid in these glass bottles bought from IKEA. I also used this transparent container so that the surface below doesn't get dirty often. I also kept old toothbrush to clean corners which are usually difficult to reach. For scrubs and steel wools, I kept transparent lids beneath so that cleaning the soap holder becomes easier. I was finding it difficult to clean the grooves on the soap holder, so this hack is helping me a lot now. Once a week, I disinfect the scrubs by keeping it in hot boiling water for an hour or so. This dishwasher has been a great help for me from past 5 years. Once the dishwasher cycle is done, I keep dried utensils at designated places. This is the cabinet we use to keep all steel utensils. We didn't go for any hi-fi storage option and kept it very simple. We used a normal rack to utilize the vertical space, and all rarely used utensils are kept at the corner space. At this corner, an adjustable pot pan rack is kept mainly to keep kadais. Another tip I follow is to use only the frequently used appliances on the countertop and keep others inside cabinet. At our home, we use food processor and air fryer often, and for the same reason it's kept on the countertop. Mixer, grinder and other small appliances are kept inside cabinets. For me, any space is incomplete without plants. It instantly freshens up any space and it is a good source of air purifier as well. The dirty utensils are kept for washing inside dishwasher, and my routine on washing utensils is mentioned in my dishwasher video. Do check it out in case you are interested. I keep cooked food at one corner and give a good wipe to the countertop and cooktop range with homemade liquid. I just mix 1/4 dishwashing liquid with 3/4 water in a spray bottle and it is good to go. These are some simple tips I follow on a daily basis to keep my kitchen clean and organized. A separate video on the countertop decor ideas is already uploaded in my channel, and you can find that video link in iCard and description as well. That's it for today's video, and I really hope today's video gave you some helpful tips in keeping your kitchen clean and organized. Please don't forget to show your love and support by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Also, provide your valuable feedback in the comment section below and do share the video link with your family and friends. I'll see you soon with another amazing video. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.